Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Pod mana kawantiere ir jalup jatend piny en ni kachiel kod jotelo mamoko mawuok Mount Kenya gisingo mar loso romo e boma ma Nyeri mano mar sumo paro kaka ginyalo duoko piny math mar kongo kod yedhe ma meroji e kind rowere e gwenge makono. Kano wuoye kar chung'od bura ma Githunguri kama ne oyuore nyasi mar yango chendo mar Food for Education motele kod jaod bura Gathoni wa Mushomba, jalup jatend piny nokwayo jotelo mondo osir lwedo chendo matieko chuth yedhe ma meroji. Rigathi bende nokwayo duol mochung'ne kedo yedhe ma meroji pacho kana kada mondo ket chike maket etiyo kod yedhe go ka bende olero ni yedhe makamago sani ketho ngima rowere ahinya to e gwenge ma Mount Kenya.
We are losing an entire generation. Boys have become zombies. They stay by the roadside. They are drunk. They don't know anything about tomorrow. And I feel pain that we could lose an entire generation. Shortly, in another 2 weeks, I'm calling a meeting of all leaders and security personnel in entire central Kenya, the 5 counties in Nyeri, at the residence of the regional commissioner, and the 5 governors and the senators, and all the OCSs, all the OSPDs, all the county commissioners, all the deputy county commissioners, and we make a decision as the leadership of this region what we shall do.
I would want to make sure that even as my children eat in school, these children are also eating a balanced diet. So we want to make sure that whatever food we shall be cooking with our donor is food that is grown within Githunguri.
Minod jalup jatend piny Dorcas Gachagua